Hey G Squad, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. So I'm going to show you how I made this buttermilk fried chicken breast in this biscuit. And y'all, when I tell you the chicken was so juicy and my biscuits, which I made from scratch, are nice and flaky. So if you're interested in seeing how I made this breakfast, dinner, lunch, anytime sandwich, then keep watching. Alright family, so here are the ingredients right here to make our buttermilk fried chicken breast. So I already washed my meat off. I used lemon juice and vinegar and just wash it off a couple of times. So now in my bowl I have my usual seasonings, garlic, onion powder, paprika, smoked paprika, black pepper, complete seasoning, and the Tony's seasoning. So I'm just gonna dump all that into this bowl and then just give that a nice little mixture. Make sure my chicken is coated with all my seasonings. So I have this all mixed up. So now I'm going to add some of this buttermilk to the pan, because what I'm going to do now is let this marinate in this buttermilk. This is how much I put in there. You want to put enough in there just to cover your entire chicken. Oh, this feels so good. And make sure your hands are clean, y'all. Okay, so now I'm just going to add some of my hot sauce to this. Just a little dab of that. And then using the same hand, just give it a mix. Ooh, it feels so good. I cannot even lie to y'all. Sometimes I love using my bare hands in food. It's I don't know, something about it. So therapeutic. So, alright guys, so I have my chicken soaking. So now I'm going to cover this and sit it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours, and then I'll pop back in when we're ready to fry it up. Oh, and also I'm going to be frying my chicken in this all-purpose flour and with some vegetable oil, which I already have in my pan. And so once this when I have about 30 minutes left before I remove this from the refrigerator, I'm going to start my grease, because I want my grease to be nice and hot. Okay, so as I said, I'll see you when we're ready to move on to the next step. Okay, so this is how the chicken looks once it's all seasoning and in the buttermilk. Okay, so I removed my chicken from the refrigerator, and so I want to allow it to come to room temperature, because I don't want it to put it from a cold environment right into a hot environment. So currently the grease is heating up, and right now I've added some flour to this bag, so I'm going to also add some seasoning to my flour as well. So I'm just adding some smoked paprika, combination of this garlic pepper seasoning. It has salt in it as well. So if I can get it open, y'all. So add some of that to it. Also gonna add some black pepper. And that's pretty much it. Just give that a nice little shake. Okay, So as you can see, me pan you up right here. Okay, so I have my pan here with my grease heating up. Okay. So I'm going to do a little flour test and just drop some flour in there. It's sizzling, but I want it like sizzle, sizzle, hot, hot. Okay, so be back in a few minutes. Our chicken breast, buttermilk chicken breast. All right, family. So here we are. I present to you my buttermilk-fried chicken breasts in a homemade biscuit. And I do have a separate video showing you how I made these biscuits. But yeah, that's me just tasting a piece of that skin that fell off the chicken. But family, again, I say this chicken was so flavorful and juicy and tender in my biscuits. And I have to be honest with y'all, this is my first time making biscuits from scratch, so kudos to me. That was one of the things on my bucket list, that I wanted to do biscuits from scratch, and so I finally got a chance to do it. And yeah, they came out really, really, really good. So family, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and comment below. And I look forward to seeing y'all in the next video. Bye.